If your furry friend is looking to pack some pounds, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the world's top food for dogs aiming to gain weight. From high-protein diets to nutrient-rich choices, let's explore these options tailored to give your dog the healthy, vibrant life they deserve. And by the way, if you're looking for the best dog food out there, make sure to check out Sunday's Dog Food. For your convenience, I left a link to their website down in the description of this video. Now, if you shop through my links, I'll receive a small commission at no extra charge to you, which I'll be very grateful for. And with that in mind, let's get started. First on my list is Sunday's Dog Food, priced at $69 for a 4-week supply. Crafted in the USA, Sunday's takes pride in using human-grade ingredients, setting a high bar for quality in dog nutrition. With recipes available in beef, chicken, and turkey, it caters to various canine tastes, ensuring your dog finds a flavor they love. The food's air-dried preparation method keeps the ingredients fresh and nutrient-rich, akin to a jerky treat, making it irresistible even to picky eaters. It's specially formulated to aid digestion, thanks to ingredients like pumpkin and ginger, while fish oil contributes to a shiny coat. The inclusion of a wide array of fruits and vegetables packs this dog food with antioxidants, supporting your dog's immune system. Sundays also emphasizes joint health with ingredients high in glucosamine and chronotrene. Its omega fatty acids ensure not just a shiny coat, but a healthy, vibrant dog. Customer reviews highlight the food's palatability and the positive health impacts seen in their pets, including weight gain. The convenience of having such high-quality dog food delivered to your door is another point of praise among users. Next, Bully Max is available starting from $57, distinguishing itself as a high-performance dog food. This product boasts a remarkable 30% protein and 20% fat content designed for healthy weight gain and muscle development. Its formula, including chicken meal and brown rice, provides high-quality protein and essential fats. Bully Max caters to all life stages and is especially beneficial for active breeds, offering them the energy they need. With 535 calories per cup, it's one of the most calorie-dense options on the market, allowing for smaller servings while maintaining optimal nutrition. Reviewers consistently mention the noticeable improvements in their dog's muscle tone and overall health. Despite its premium price, the value is evident in the results, making it a favorite choice among dog owners looking for superior nutrition. Its commitment to using only high-quality ingredients without fillers adds to its appeal. The product is made in the USA, ensuring strict quality control and safety standards are met. Bully Max's impressive reviews and recommendations underline its effectiveness in promoting healthy weight gain and vitality. The third option, Adirondack, priced at $54, stands out for its slow-cooked formulation. This family-owned brand ensures each batch of dog food retains the maximum amount of nutrients by cooking at lower temperatures for longer periods. With 30% protein and 20% fat, Adirondack supports not just weight gain, but comprehensive health, making it suitable for puppies and performance dogs alike. It's made without artificial flavors or fillers, relying on natural ingredients like chicken meal and brown rice for protein. The inclusion of omega fatty acids from sources like flaxseed and fish oil promotes healthy skin and a glassy coat. Pearled barley in the mix supports heart health and improves insulin response, underlining the brand's commitment to the overall well-being of dogs. Reviewers have noted significant improvements in their dog's weight and muscle definition after switching to Adirondack. Its great taste is frequently mentioned alongside the positive health effects observed in pets. This dog food success stories, particularly with underweight dogs, highlight its efficacy. Adirondack's commitment to quality and nutritional excellence is evident in the glowing feedback from dog owners. Fourth is ZIWI Peak, with a case of 12 cans priced at $92. This canned wet food features an impressive 92% free-range beef content, including organs and bone, plus superfoods for holistic health benefits. Its grain-free, low-carb formula is ideal for dogs with food sensitivities or allergies. ZIWI Peak includes unique ingredients like green mussels and organic kelp, promoting joint health, digestion, and the immune system. The food's high palatability makes it a hit even with the fussiest eaters, as reflected in customer reviews. Despite its higher price point, many find it a worthwhile investment for the health benefits it offers, including enhanced skin and coat condition. Its ethical and sustainable sourcing from New Zealand is a significant draw for environmentally conscious pet owners. The food's rich protein content and limited ingredient list minimize the risk of food sensitivities. Reviews often highlight the improvement in dogs' overall vitality and health after transitioning to ZIWI Peak. It stands as a premium option for those looking to provide their pets with a nutrient-rich, high-protein diet. Finally, CRAVE is priced for $61 for a 22-pound bag. This grain-free dry dog food prioritizes high-protein content from chicken and pork meal, supporting strong, lean bodies. With no chicken byproduct meal, corn, wheat, or soy protein, and devoid of artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives, CRAVE offers a clean diet for adult dogs. Its formula, comprising 34% protein, caters to dogs' natural dietary needs, promoting healthy weight and muscle maintenance. The inclusion of peas provides a high-quality source of carbohydrates for energy without the need for grains. Reviewers appreciate the quality ingredients and the positive impact on their dog's health and appearance. Many note that their dogs enjoy the taste of CRAVE, making mealtime a hassle-free experience. The food's formulation also includes a blend of vitamins and minerals, ensuring a balanced diet. Dog owners report satisfaction with the condition of their pets' coats and digestive health after switching to CRAVE. It's recommended for those seeking a high-protein, grain-free option that doesn't compromise on taste or nutritional value. So, in conclusion, choosing the right food for your dog to gain weight and stay healthy is important. Each of these options offers unique benefits, from high protein content to natural ingredients. They cater to different needs, whether it's muscle growth, sensitive stomachs, or overall vitality. Among them, Sunday's dog food stands out as the best choice for its human-grade ingredients, taste, and nutritional balance. And remember, links to all the products that I have mentioned in this video are going to be listed down in the description of this video. And if you shop through my links, I'll receive a small commission at no extra charge to you, which I'll be very grateful for. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.